Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Barrington Lewis here. Just wanted to really share with you guys the unboxing of this this Pro 520XL from Uniden. I got this on Amazon for about, I think about about $50, $45. I can't exactly remember the price, and I don't have it on here, but yeah, so I'm going to unbox this. This is just another way to communicate should you not be able to communicate with your cell phone or you're out of reach. So whenever your cell phone fails, it's good to have this type of other additional communication as a backup. And I'm going to put this into my 2011 F-150, and I'll create a video on that installation. But here's a clip of my truck. All right, YouTube, we are back home in Georgia. Just wanted to show y'all my truck. The truck I call the Beast. It's the 2011 F-150. She's a beauty. Love this truck. It has been with me for a good little while. Has a couple of scratches. Like I said, it's 10 years old, so whatever. But I love it. She's mine, and she's free right now. Well, she's paid for. Got the pipes on it. Got some nice rims, good tires, and yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed that. It's just a little clip of my truck showing you exactly what this CB radio is going to be installed in. I'll create a video for that. Let me know, like and subscribe, and here we are. So I've already taken everything out of the box. Got your manual, and comes with a little bracket, mounting bracket, where I'm going to put this is going to be somewhere in the truck, and I'll have this radio here. Let's take that out. Have the actual radio here installed into the truck. Hope you guys can see that okay. You got your squelch knob here, RF gain. I can't really see from that angle. This is where your microphone hooks up to. PA system, channel selector, channel screen display, antenna goes in the back. If you have an additional speaker that you want to plug into, that's there, and a PA system if you want to have the PA speaker. So it comes with a speaker already internal, but if you want an additional speaker, an additional louder, I'm not sure how good the speaker is, but once I have it mounted, I'll show you guys the video that tested it out. But like I said, it's a good backup to have. And what else do we have here? In case your cell phone go down, it's good to have one of these to kind of communicate with law enforcement or ambulance, fire, I don't know, whoever you need to talk to get help, or a friend if you just want to just talk. This is the microphone here. It's okay. It doesn't feel too bad, you know. This feels like it'll do the job. I don't know yet, but we'll see once I have this installed. And finally, last but not least, is the actual hardware, mounting hardware. So like I said, this is going to go into my truck I call the Beast. It's my 2011 F-150 XLT, and I'm going to have this installed somewhere. Let me know what you guys think about. Let me know if you guys want to see that video of me having the actual installation of the radio, and I will show that to you. Also, before you go, I wanted to also show you this, an additional way, means of backup. This is the Baofeng UV5R. It's a way to, of course, just like the CB radio, communicate when your cell phone is out of range, or should there be a natural disaster, you need to communicate, you need to get help. This is a great way to have a backup, a great way to as a backup to your cell phone. So I have this, I have the CB radio, and that's it. I guess I'll cut this on. So as you guys can hear, I have this already preset to a weather station. A weather station that allows me to, it just sends out weather signals, weather forecasts, and it's a great way to know what's in the area. If you can't, your TV's down, you know, whatever. It's a great way to communicate. It has a light on at the middle. Let's see if I can turn that on again. I won't turn up the volume, but has a little flash. I guess if you need help, you can send out little pulse signals there. Hey, I'm over here. I don't have the license to be able to speak on this just yet. You have to have a license to be able to talk, because you don't want to interrupt actual law enforcement or some emergency personnel. You want them to have their lines of communication as well. You don't want to be interrupting as a rookie. So I do have the manual for your ham radio license. It's just a book to start learning how to operate this correctly. And yeah, so Biofan UV5R, also just want to show you guys that, and of course the Uniden Pro520XL cheap CB radio. Just if you want to have in your truck, it's probably not the best, but we'll see. It has good reviews on Amazon, and this right here is also about $25 on Amazon as well. Great reviews if you want to get started with just having, or if you just need a basic backup to your cell phone should something happen, some emergency situation where the cell phone towers are down. So that's really it, people. Just wanted to unbox this. Let me know if you want to see that video of me installing this Pro520XL, I said it right, into my 2011 F-150. So installation video coming soon. Let me know. Like and subscribe, everyone. That's the end of the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.